Let's get started, Srini.
Yeah. Hi everyone. In today's class we have in previous classes we have learned about the functions in a Python programming language. The different types of or different ways of using functions in a Python programming language, and then various functions where we can use functions modularity and programmability with those functionalities we have learned in previous classes. And also with that we have learned about the global variables and what are the variables.
I will request you to pause. I'll request you to pause. Can you mute yourself? Okay. Here we go. Let's start.
Yeah. And also we have learned the types of variables available in the Python programming language, like global variable and local variable. And what are the different programming techniques where we can reduce the code, multiple lines of code into a single code. For that we have revised with recursive functions.
Correct.
Today also we can look into those similar type of functions where we can reduce the complexity of the code programming language.
Okay.
We can go with next topic is anonymous function.
Okay, anonymous function.
Another name is lambda function.
Okay, and this is most frequent asked question as I have observed so far in Python so far. In all the interviews, they definitely will touch base this lambda function.
Today.
Yeah, okay.
The anonymous function, we can use the function with any name. Sometimes we need to declare, we can declare the function with any name. Such type of nameless functions are called anonymous functions or lambda functions.
Okay.
Sometimes we can use function with no name. Here you can see the syntax of the lambda. These are called lambda functions. The main purpose of anonymous function is to just instantly create the function and we can use it instantly. So that we use this lambda function or anonymous function. Here I have provided the two examples. What is the normal function? Here the normal function definition. I have created a function called square. Square means n. I am passing the number n. Here I am squaring this n into n. This is the normal function. This same normal function, how we are writing in the lambda expression, the anonymous function that is have created here. Lambda n colon n into n. This is a single statement.
Okay.
Here we have defined two statements, but we can make it as a single statement.
Okay.
Lambda. Here it is the variable which we are passing, and this is the expression here. Argument list lambda syntax lambda argument list and expression. We don't need to return any value. It automatically returns a value lambda. Here we have written the n into n in the normal function, but in a lambda function we don't need to return any statement. It automatically statement will return the result.
Got it. So I have one question, Shini here.
Yes.
First question is where to use lambda. First of all, what is the use of lambda? Because we have function, we have recursive function. Then why lambda anonymous function is being used, and what is the advantage of it?
Anonymous function is advantage is a single line function. Here you can see the expression we have written in a single line. We have reduced the code, and also it is a single line statement. Here we have this function I have written to the variable s, and we are directly using the f of code. It will automatically assign the value n and return the return value. That's the expression. It will pass the expression and return the value.
Okay.
This is the main advantage of lambda expression. We can have some example also. Here we are creating the lambda function to find the sum of two given numbers. How can you guys write the lambda function for sum of the two numbers?
Okay. So
I am writing a
yeah. So one question is like, what would be the function name? So here lambda is representing that function.
Function name. That is the anonymous function. This becomes the anonymous function. We don't have the function name. We are redesigning the function with a single statement.
So imagine I have multiple functions. Can I embed them in lambda and call whenever needed any specific function?
Yes, you can.
Okay.
Yes, it is a single statement. When you are using the single statements like addition, multiplication in a single expression.
Huh.
Like you have a formula,
Yes.
one big formula. You can express it in a expression.
Okay.
To pass some variables like x comma y. You can pass the x comma y into, you can expression written say x plus y.
Okay. Okay. Directly it will return because in lambda I have already configured
Yeah.
that
You
some.
can assign this value into the one variable.
Okay.
If you want to call the variable, then x comma y, you need to pass the values 2 comma 5. It will assign the 2 value to the x, 5 value to the y. It will return the result.
Okay. Let's run and see.
Yeah,
Okay.
Here you can see the result 7.
Yeah, I can. Yes.
This is the main. If you want to write in a normal function, you can do that. You will pass the another value into the normal function and you can return the same thing. But here in lambda function, we don't need to return the any function, any value.
Again.
It's automatic.
Okay. Again, can you highlight how you created that lambda function at the other line?
Sorry,
Yeah.
that's the syntax I have given here. Lambda, it is the syntax for the lambda function.
Okay. Lambda.
Lambda, after that, list of arguments. How many arguments you are passing? And
Okay.
colon, what is the expression you are written? Here you can see the lambda. What is the variable I am passing? N is a variable.
N is a fixed one.
Anyone, anything.
Anything. And after that, n multiply by n. That can be any number.
Any expression. It is an expression. Any expression. Here it is a multiplication. N into n. Here it will be n plus n. N minus n. Any expression. This is the expression. Expressions no. Do you know expression?
Yeah, correct. Like plus, minus, division.
Any formula is an expression.
Okay.
A plus b whole square is an expression. Like that, those expressions you can define here. That is the syntax. You can expression is a list of where you will perform the action in the argument. These arguments. I have performed the action here, n into n, in the argument n. Here you can see the x and y are the argument and x plus y is the expression.
Correct. Okay. Got it.
This is another example. You can see the another example.
Yeah. Yeah.
Function
Please.
to find the biggest of given value. You need to pass the two functions, two variables. You need to find what is the biggest number in given value.
Okay.
How can you create lambda? We are passing two variables, x comma y.
Okay.
Yeah, we are passing colon if x greater than y, then you return the x value. Else it returns y.
Okay.
Understood?
Yeah. Lambda x comma y is the variable. If x x greater than y, then x, else it will be y.
Yes.
Correct.
You will return the y. Give the values of biggest value. You can assign this value to any variable. Here I am assigning the biggest. You can call this using the biggest.
Okay.
I am passing 3 comma 5, 3 comma 6. It will return the value.
Okay.
Make sure you think that.
Yeah. Space and types has to be absolutely concise.
Yeah. Don't need to write the y value.
Okay.
Make sure that's correct or not. Some of these we can have like
Let's run. Would you not require to close it? Close that syntax with the semicolon. What is the error it's showing in module biggest lambda x
Yeah.
this?
Not define the value. I have no. Yeah, here you can see the value.
Sure.
Biggest value.
Correct.
Here you can see the if condition we have used another lambda function. If x greater than y, else y. It will return the x. If x greater than y, else it will return the y. It is another syntax. You can observe that.
Correct. This is something different. This is not how do we write the if condition in Python.
Yeah, yes. In classically we don't use historical x when it will return the x if only x greater than y. Else y. Did you understand?
Yeah.
Initially we
Correct.
are returning the x when
But-
the x greater than y. Else y.
This is only we can do in the lambda function only. Am I right?
Lambda function. Yes.
This particular syntax, this particular syntax we can only consume within lambda function, not anywhere else.
Yes.
Okay.
These are the examples of lambda function. This is the syntax we have learned. Another next we can go where like that only we have some more functions like filter, map.
Okay. Like these are inbuilt function, correct? These are inbuilt function of Python. Am I right?
Yes, inbuilt functions of Python. These are we can use in a data science to write it. In data science programming language like we are using we are working with the collection more.
Yeah.
At that time we will use this filter, map and ranges function. These are functions where we need to have work with all the collection variables. Collections like this dictionary variable and set sequence variables.
Correct. I have one question, Shini.
Yes.
See, each and every function consists couple of methods, correct?
Yes.
Those methods also we need to little bit deep dive. Like, are we covering all the method which is available or applicable or not? So in lambda, do we have any such methods, inbuilt methods?
We have given the syntax. Now this is the only syntax for the lambda. Argument, list and expression.
Okay, clear.
The particular method we have the syntax of. Here we have given the filter function. This is the inbuilt function, filter function. This filter function we can use to filter the values in a sequence.
Absolutely.
Or
Okay.
dictionary or any list variables we can filter the value.
Absolutely. Okay.
The syntax of the filter function is filter. What is the function you want to expression like expression? What is the function you want to filter the value and sequence. The sequence you want to filter the value.
Correct. Yes.
The function you can this would be a lambda function or normal function.
Correct.
Function is here.
Okay.
Here function will pass this sequence value into the function and there we will do some expression like calculation, filter calculation. I will give the one example. You can understand. Program to filter only even numbers from a list by using filter function. By using filter function, you will filter a one list.
Okay. Fine. Let's get started. So we can filter. Okay, this filter can be only done in a collection data item, or
collection data type we can use filter, map and radius.
now when you say collection, it includes like list, dictionary, tuple, and set. Am I right?
Yes.
Okay.
Immutable concept you know na?
Yeah. Correct.
Immutable only we can do that.
Immutable one we can do that,
Yes.
which can't be changed.
Which can't be triple. We don't change the value.
Correct. Yes. We can't change the value.
We don't use this perfect function. Yeah.
Then list and dictionary we can't work, correct? Because those are mutable.
Yeah, we can change the value of list and the dictionary. So
How's-
that we can use this function.
Whichever is changeable, like mutable, then only we can change it. Which is unmutable, we can't change it, correct? We can't filter it.
Yes.
Okay, so you mean to say filter can be only applicable to the mutable one?
Yeah.
Okay, fine.
We can write one example with a normal without lambda function.
Okay,
First of all, we will create one normal function.
okay,
Here, even number, even function, we define as an even function. We will pass the list here. I am passing a list to the function.
Okay.
We need to for loop for every list.
Okay.
I am passing every value into I value. I in list. Every value will come into the I every time. We need to check that the value is divided by 2 if I percentage 2 equal to 0, then we need to return that value.
Okay.
We need to return I if it is a value, even value.
Correct. Yeah.
Else we don't need to anything.
Yes.
We can pass as a true or false.
True or false? Correct. Okay.
Yeah. Else it is a false.
Okay.
Now I am using the filter.
Okay. So this is a function. If I have understood, you are creating a list first, and then it's called event fun. And in that list, you are looping through all this. You are checking whether it is divisible by 2 or not.
Yeah.
So if it is,
then it is a even number.
that is the even number. If it is not, then it is like
Odd number.
Odd number.
also I am doing true or false.
Okay, fine. Fine. Instead of true or false, you can also declare as a even and odd as well, correct?
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah. I am defining a one list here.
Okay.
0, 1, 5, 4, 10, 20. Here is the list. We are taking. Now I am getting the result using filter function.
Okay. You are using even fun.
Yeah. Function as a filter.
Okay.
Filter of it will pass what is the function we have?
Even fun.
Even function, comma, list. What is the function?
Yeah, the list name is one. Sorry.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah. List name, then I have got the and then just print the result.
Okay.
Here we have assigned to the value to the filter function. It will return the if you have after here what is the even value you can get 30 is the even value, 20 is the even value, 10 is the even value, 0 is the even value. It can filter those what are the even values. Those can be easily returned. We need to get the result as 0, 10, 20, 30.
Clear. I got your point.
We are expecting.
Yeah. That's the expected output.
Let's see if it's working or not. Yeah, here we are returning the object. In order to return a filter function will return a value as an object. In order to convert it, we need to typecast.
Okay.
To convert, we have learned the typecast.
Yeah, correct.
Typecast.
Yeah. I remember.
Typecast is the value. We are converting into the list. We will return the object. We need to convert them into the list. Here I am converting the list as it.
Okay.
We have got some issue. Let's see what issue. Stop. Not interrupt.
We are not.
The default takes it as an integer.
Correct. If it is default, yeah, because we no need to declare in Python, correct? By default,
Yeah,
it is
don't need to iterate. It automatically takes.
correct.
Even function, it automatically takes every value. You don't need to iterate here.
Okay.
Every list value.
Mm-hmm.
It will take every value. Which value to the list variable and return the value. You don't make the value.
So what was the problem? Why it was not
Yeah,
highlighting?
we have taken as a list here. Even we are passing the list, but we don't need to pass the list. Filter function will put the in a function every value in a function. There is a list 0, 5, 10, 20, 30. Now, this value will be every time will iterate to the function.
Okay.
Each value should pass the even function. For each value, when we are using the filter, each value of list will call the function.
Okay. Okay. Yeah.
Don't need to iterate it again. We are not passing a list here. Only the value, every value will pass the 0 first time, and then second time 5, then ऐसे pass हो जाएगा.
Clear.
Then
Okay.
we will get the result like
So this is how we can use the filter function, correct?
this.
Filter and filter is just executing that function which I have created. It's nothing doing anything else. Filter is doing what?
Every value, we are not passing a list.
Yeah, we are not passing a list.
We are only iterating. It automatically iterates.
Yeah, it's automatically iterating because even fun has that command.
Yeah.
Okay.
We have not any for loop anything we have not written.
Okay, so you mean to say even if you remove that if I divided by 2 equal to 0, then also it will work? You are saying that?
No, I have removed the for loop. So,
Yeah, correct. Got it, okay.
here I am not the list, even listings I am not passing the total list. Here you can see in the function. We are passing the only value in the value function, single function. Here every time the value is going from the list, the filter function. Every time.
So you mean to say a second time you don't need to do any for loop. It is actually directly iterating each and every value from that list. Okay. So this is how we can filter it. Any data. First we create a function and that function we call under that filter. And what happened that whatever function I have created, based on that it will actually extract the required information and value and it will post it out. Correct?
Yeah, filter, like filter, we have another function map. This is also a function sequence or selection variable. It applies the functionality to the generate new element. It will generate the new element.
Okay.
The requirement modification. If you pass a one, it will operate on the list and produce the new list.
What is the use of it? See, when you are saying filter, I can visualize that I have certain data and I have to filter it from there. Then I will be using filter, and I just have required that function to call within filter. I will call it. It will filter the data and export that as a list output or whatever output I required. So that's the use of like filter. But what is the use of map?
Map is in the filter we have filtering the data. Whereas
Yeah.
in map we are calculating the some operation on the list variables in a list. Understood?
Okay, in a list variable I am doing some operation. I can do any operation.
You are filtering. You are not getting the whole list.
Okay.
Here we will return the whole list. It will operate on the operate expression on a list.
Okay. Clear. So it will perform the operation in a list.
Yeah, each element.
Okay, for every element present in the given sequence, apply some functionality and generate new element with the required information. Okay, let's have a look in the example. Then only we will be able to relate.
Yeah. I'm creating the double it. We need to double the value.
Okay.
Like 2 into given value.
Okay.
Here I am creating a one list. Yes.
Okay.
3, 4, 5, 6. The one list. We need to double the list.
Okay.
3 into 2, 4 into 2, 5 into 2, 6, 8, 10, 12. We need to return a value like that
Okay.
by using the map function.
Okay.
Here, next is we have not discussed the lambda function. We have not discussed the filter function. We can discuss that one. Here we have discussed the lambda using lambda function. We can use here lambda function. How can we use lambda function in a map?
Okay.
I will create a one lambda function s equal to lambda. We are passing the value n. That will become the 2 into n. That is doubling the value of given value.
Okay.
Understood?
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah. Here I am creating the result. I have created the function. This is the statement.
Yeah.
And I am converting the value into list. It will also return a object. Map also return a object. We need to convert it to a list.
Okay.
I am calling the map and passing the function. Syntax is also same like filter. We are passing the list.
Okay.
Understood?
Yeah.
I am passing the function and sequence also.
Mm-hmm.
Let's see the result.
So in big data, I've heard this term called map reduce. Is that the same?
Yes, same.
Okay.
Big data, there is a if we will get some more data, we need to reduce the data like unwanted data and then what is the interested data. We need to filter those values data. That's why we are using this data in a bulk data type of function.
So similarly, like this is the same function. Map reduce is the same.
Same function.
Okay, fine.
This map we are doing some functionality. Here you can see that I have passed a function and value. Calculate the value and get the value.
Correct. Yeah.
The map. Like that we have the reduce. Reduce is another function where we can reduce the element applying the functionality.
Okay. Okay.
Here we can see the example.
So wait, if I like summarize, what is the map? Map is again in a list. We can apply any particular function if we have in a list. Filter is also in a list, and this filter, this map, this reduce will only work in the mutable data item.
Where we can change the value in this
Okay.
can't change this value where we can not operate any value adding and removing the operation where we can do that in a collection of that we don't use the filter and reduce also.
Okay, clear. Okay.
Yeah, this reduce function syntax also same. Reduce function and sequence. What is the function you are want to do some expression? That is the function and sequence. What is the function? Here the function you want to do some operation.
Okay. So, but what is the use of it? See, tell us the use, because based on that only we will be using it whenever required. Correct? Then we can relate. Oh, this is this.
In a Excel, we have the multiple data. Multiple data, multiple rows and multiple columns. We have the multiple data. We need to operate some operation of some column.
Okay.
We need to operate some column. We need to multiply the values to another value.
Okay.
Multiply some expression you want to do on some formula.
Yeah.
At that time we will use this function as syntax in expression like by using lambda expression and filter expression. You can pass that column into the function. You will create one function. I will call this map or filter or basic function and we will pass the column value. It will
Okay.
return the value.
Okay.
Like that we can use this function. The reduce, whereas reduce, it will reduce the whole list into a single value.
Okay.
It will return the, to use the reduce value, we need to import it from a function. Function. Reduce will be, reduce we will have this reduce function in a module called functions to.
Okay.
Use a function to object. We need to import it. Then only we can work with.
So this is for reduce only, not for map. This is for reduce only, not for map.
Yes.
So what are the other functions we have in function tool?
That you can the definition, module definition, like
Okay, we will explore that later. Okay, fine.
yeah, you can explore that.
Because we need to know in the function tool what kind of functions are ready to use available.
I will cover that on the module. How can the what are the different type of methods and classes in a module?
Okay.
You can know this expression like derive. We have one expression called derive. Here we can derive the total module. It will return the total number of components in a module.
Okay.
That will cover it on the module function.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah, here I am creating a one list and also a one function. We need a function also.
Just a moment. Just a moment. Give me a moment. Yeah. Go ahead.
Lambda, I am creating the function addition function. I am passing x comma y. I am returning the x plus y.
Okay.
Yeah, this is the function.
Okay.
Now I am giving the result from the reduce function. From reduce, it will return a single value. As I said, it will work on it, return the single value.
Okay.
Convert it in this. Here I am passing the reduce comma.
And one list. Yeah.
That's the L.
Correct.
I am printing the list, the result.
Okay. That's small l, huh? Sorry.
Yeah, yes,
Okay.
small L.
Fine.
Let's see the result.
It will just return one value, is it?
Yeah, one value. But it is added some whole value in the single value. It will pass the all list and reduce it to a single value.
So how come it is 150 like all list like 10, 20, 30, 30, 60 is 40, yeah, 150.
Yeah.
So x plus y, lambda x and y. So how
I
the
am adding the every value.
correct, like how it is assigning those list value into x and y? How?
Yeah, it is iterating every time. It will take the iterating 10 one time. Again, let them to the x. Next one, 20 value, it will let them to the y.
Okay. Okay.
The result is 30.
Mhm.
30 plus, again 30 passes to the x. Again plus 30 passes to the y.
Okay.
That will result in 60.
Okay.
Next 60 return to the x. 40 will be the y. 60 plus 40, 100.
So this loop is happening within lambda or it is happening within result?
Within the RAM, within the reduce.
Reduce.
Like in the map and the function also. Function also happening, the integration happening in the
Map only.
only map function and filter function. Here it is in the reduce function.
Clear. Okay.
This is the reduce function.
Okay.
We need to, what is the main difference between these functions? We need to import functions. Then only we can use the reduce function.
For reduce only.
For reduce only.
Okay. Okay.
Another topic is, this is the completion of some different ways of using, reducing the code in any programming language, in Python programming, you can reduce the complexity and coding length by using these type of techniques, these functions.
Clear.
These are the some functions. And next one we can see that function aliasing. Function aliasing means you can know the we have already know that aliasing.
Correct.
You can use another name. Like if you have one person we can call it another name, that's called as aliasing.
So I can change the name you are saying that I can
You can change the value of name
function.
of the function.
Yeah, function aliasing. Okay. Okay.
That I showed how can we change the value.
Okay, we'll cover that in the next one. Then we have nested.
Yes, okay. In the next session we can cover the function aliasing and nested functions and generator.
Yeah, correct. What is nested function here? Aliasing I get to know. Yeah.
You have already known the recursive function. Function is calling itself as a function is called recursive function.
Correct.
But we are calling other function in a function.
Okay.
That is called nested function.
So what's the difference between recursive function and nested function?
Recursive is called the same function.
Okay, recursive called the same function, where nested called the multiple other functions also.
Other function. Same function.
Okay. And what's generator? Generated function which is responsible to generate a sequence of values.
Generating a sequence of values. It will generate the sequence of values in the function. Expression by the function. It will generate iterative values. Means loops. In a loop it will generate a multiple values. No?
Yeah, correct.
Like it will generate a multiple sequence.
Correct. See, what I will request, Shini, once we finish this, okay, we need to create a small program which can actually, where we can implement all this. How do you say? What do you say? Okay, we need to create one simple example where we use this all logic, or else, see, this is like a nuclear point we are learning. Now, if we have to put this all together in an atom, okay, then it will be more meaningful and we can also relate it. Okay, so that's it.
It will be covered after the modules and packages class after completion. We are going to learn CSV files and Excel files. We are going to read those files by
Yeah.
using modules where we will get the list of data. Where we will get the data in a collection like where you can see this type of where we can use functions and we can operate those values such as CSV files and Excel files.
Got it.
These functions files.
Got it. Clear. So let's catch up in the next session and we'll look into that. And I will also search some example which we can highlight here. I was actually studying something on the interview preparation. I will share in the next session on that aspect. Okay, on the interview preparation part. Okay. Anything else?
Nothing from my covering plan for the next class.
Awesome, Shini. So let's connect in the next session. Thank you, Shini, for your time. Thank you.